How fast can you go? Pay attention where you're going.
Go backwards. Go backwards.
Ooh, goodness gracious.
And the first crash.
It's okay.
You right there, buddy? But you know what we forgot?
Helmet.
We don't have our helmet
We
on.
don't have our helmet on. We have to make sure we wear our helmet.
Why?
Because if you fall like that and you hit your noggin, you're going to get very hurt. So I think we're going to take this back up and we'll take it back inside.
And we'll
go
come out later with our
we'll
helmet.
come out later on with our helmet on.
Just them wheels a little bit.
I go so.
Go faster.
There you go. Let's try and go up the hill.
You gotta pedal really hard.
You have to pedal really hard to go up that hill.